Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we've got 3 of the mini brands. These are the fashion ones. So they have like little purses, I believe shoes, um, different type of fashion type stuff, hats, things like that. So I know I have seen these actually do, some of these items actually fit Barbie. So I've opened one of these before for my daughter so she could use the stuff for her Barbie. So I think today we'll go ahead and we'll open 3 of these and see what we got. All right guys, let's just rip into these and see what we got. Sometimes these things cooperate and sometimes they don't. And the crazy thing is, I did end up getting these at Michael's. So, I mean, always, I feel like, and I actually got these for a really good deal too. They were like on sale. So I think I got them for like $5 a piece. So I guess always check the clearance department at Michael's. You never know what you may find.
One eternity later.
Oh, all right. We opened it. Let's see what we've got. So this is the little collector's guide. So it shows you like, you got your ultra rares, all your commons. There's a lot of commons. And then if you turn it on the back, we have some more commons. And if you guys see, like right down here, it kind of tells you, you know, your ultra rares and your commons. All right, so let's see what we got. Fingers crossed we got one of these ultra rares. I'm kind of digging the backpack. So let's see what we got. But I will say some of these purses are like super cute. Oh, we got, oh, there's quite a bit in this one. So it looks like we got a little necklace. And I'm sure that is a common. It is. It's right here. And I think we'll go through and we'll kind of check off what we got. And then, can I just tell you, I love these shoes. That is so cute. I really don't think, these might fit Barbie. I think actually these might. The smaller Barbies, because my daughter does have one of the bigger ones. That's my first Barbie. It's a bigger one, but I think this will fit like the regular size Barbies. And then we got a little lipstick. And looks like our last bag, and I think this one is the purse. And it is, let's see what we got. Oh, this one's cute. It says mini fashion. And then, oh, it has a little magnetic closure. And then, oh yeah, it's got a little, I know it's kind of a dark purse, but here, maybe you guys can see it that way. But this is cute. It's got a little magnetic closure on it. Barbie is definitely going to be styling. So that's cute. Let's go ahead and check off what we got in this one. So we are going to use a purple marker. Purple is my favorite, as my daughter would say. So we got that one. And we did get this lipstick. I'm pretty sure it was that one. Yep, it's that one. And then we got, where's the, oh, here's the purse. The very first one. That's crazy. So we got that purse. And then our shoes. Let's look for our shoes. Oh, here they are. Right here, this one. So we got those shoes. All right, guys. Let's go ahead and open up our next one. And I'm gonna grab my little Cricut weeding tool just because I got a feeling this is, we'll get underneath here better. Oh, look at that. Much better. There we go. Oh, that made things so much simpler. I think when they heat shrink these, it like heat shrinks onto the other one, and that's the reason why it makes it so difficult to remove that first one. All right, let's get this one open and see what we got. Let's set this up here. All right, we got our 2 bags, and we got our other checklist, but we're just gonna use the other one since I started checking off already on that one. And then let's get this one open. I'm ready. Ooh. OMG, these are cute. Okay, so it looks like we got the little red lip gloss. That one's cute. And then, oh, these boots are too cute. Can you see them? I love these with the little adjustable. These are cute. Oh my gosh. Barbie is definitely going to be styling. Oh, and then we got some sunglasses. And then can you see it? It's got the little MF on it for mini fashion. These are cute. And I would show these to you guys on a Barbie, but you know. Oh my gosh, this is cute. Oh, I love this whole little red set. Ugh. And look at the chain. Oh, here, let's take this out so I can. Oh, look. Here, we got to pull the chains up. Oh, there we go. Oh, look at this. Here's the inside of it, guys. And this is a little magnetic closure too. And then look, this is cute. You can actually make it adjustable. So you can do one strap, or you can make it a double strap. And I would show this to you guys, like I was saying, on a Barbie, but I don't know what my daughter's done with half of her Barbies at this point. So it's a searching game right now. But yeah, this is super cute. So let's go ahead and check off which ones we got in this one. Okay, so here's our red purse right here. And then, all right, and then we gotta, no, I thought, maybe they're on the other page. I thought my red boots were, oh, here they are right here. Oh, it just says contains all new material. Maybe they had to change these for some reason. But there's the red boots that we got. And here's our red sunglasses. And here's our little lip gloss. All right, guys, let's open up our last one and see what we got in this one. I was really hoping for some ultra rares, but I don't know if that's going to happen or not. So, but that's okay. My daughter's got more accessories for her Barbies at this point, even though we can't seem to manage to keep them found. They're not underneath a couch or hidden in a toy box somewhere. Oh, look at that. How satisfying was that, guys? Yeah, I'm definitely, when they heat shrink the second one on, it just heat shrinks to this other wrapper that's on here. And never mind the mess on this side, guys. There we go. All right. Let's open up our last one and see what we got. All right, we got 2 more bags. I think this, we'll open up, this one's got all the other little links. So we'll open this one first. It seems to be how we've been opening. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh, these are like little Uggs. I love it. Oh, can you look at these? Come on, camera focus. Oh, look at these. These are so cute. Okay, guys. I'm going to have to find a Barbie so we can put this on. I've got to see what these look like on. And I'm so hoping they fit a Barbie. So we are going to find a Barbie. Oh, and I got the same red sunglasses again. And then it looks like we got a little sticker. I guess these are supposed to be like fake nails, maybe? Like a little box of fake nails. That's kind of what it looks like. All right. So we'll open up this last one, and then I'm going to go try and find a Barbie for you guys, because I want to see what these look like on her. I'm so hoping they fit. All right. Oh, look at this, guys. Oh, that is so cute with the little mushrooms on it. How styling is this little bag? It's another magnetic closure. Look at that. This is cute. Okay. Yeah, we gotta find a Barbie. All right, guys. Let's check off really quick, and then I'm gonna go see what Barbie we can find. All right, so let's check off what we got. So, oh, here's our little purse right here, the little mushroom. So we'll check that one off. And then, okay, and up here's our little Ugg-like slippers. And the sunglasses we already had. And then I think they do have the little stickers right here. All right, guys. So that was it for the 3 mini brands fashion ones that I had. But I'm going to go get a Barbie, and we're going to dress her up, and we're going to see what a few of these items look like. So hang on. Okay, guys, we are back, and I got a Barbie. And can I just say, she is a brand new Barbie. I had to pull her out of the box, because other Barbies, yeah. I think the dog got a hold of one, chewed up some hands, and so this is the one she just got for her birthday. So we had to open her up. And I guarantee you she will be missing within the next probably 4 hours. But I'm excited to see what she looks like. Here's the little purse. And then let's see. Oh, all right, guys, moment of truth. Let's see if these fit. I think it goes on this foot. I don't know if these really matter, but it kind of looks like it's molded. Oh, I think these fit, guys. This might actually even fit her other Barbie, or my first Barbie. Oh, okay. Oh, they fit, guys. Okay. I know they look a little big on her, but I mean, I think we could still use them. They look good. I mean, she's just kind of rocking some big slippers right now. And then let's see how the sunglasses fit. Oh, look at that. Okay, those are cute. All right, we have to try these other ones out. So let's see, because the sneakers, I were kind of curious, that's right, if these were gonna fit too. So let's just see. Oh, they fit, guys. Ah, okay, can you see that? These are cute. Oh, my daughter's gonna love this. They are a little big, but I mean, I still think she could pull these off. All right, and then let's try the necklace on her that we got in this one. Oh yeah, and the necklace fits too. That's what the necklace looks like. And then we're gonna give her her little purse. Oh yeah, that's definitely, that works. That's Barbie size for sure. Oops, just doesn't want to stay on her shoulder though. Look at that. And then here's the shoes. But yeah, this is super cute, guys. All right, so let's try, oh yeah, we gotta try these red boots. I'm so curious because these look like they were a little small. But, oh, I think they fit her. Yeah, they're going on. Okay, these are super styling. Oh yeah, she's rocking these red boots for sure. All right, and let's see how this purse looks on her. Oh yeah, the red is her color for sure. I really like the red. And then let's give her some little, even though we know the sunglasses fit. Oh yeah, there we go, guys. Look at this. There we go. Trying to get you guys a full frame of her. Sorry for the messy desk. But there we go. She looks good. All right, guys. So that was it for this opening. But make sure you guys like, subscribe, and share so you guys can catch the other openings as soon as they're downloaded. I appreciate every one of you guys. I'm so grateful for every subscriber I've gotten so far, and you guys are wonderful. Bye, guys.